Good morning, YouTube fam. Welcome back to another Lens adventure. Today I'm gonna share with you guys a day in my life living in Haiti. I planned this video since yesterday, but I woke up this morning and it's still raining since last night, guys, non-stop. But I'm gonna share the day with you guys, so sit back and watch the very end, guys, because that's gonna be a free ticket to spend 24 hours with me in Haiti. What's going on, guys? So I hope you're all doing well. Good morning, YouTube fam. Welcome back to another Lens adventure. Today I'll be sharing with you guys a day in my life in Haiti. So I just wake up praying, and then let's do some cleaning. What we have to do first. Alright, guys, so I'm done with the bed. Let's go, let me brush my teeth and then we'll head outside. Alright, guys, right now we made it to the bathroom. Let me brush my teeth. Then we'll head in outside, guys. Oh. Alright, guys. It's gonna be a beautiful morning, guys. Alright, I think I'm good now. So let's go outside. Alright, peeps, so we're out right now. So this is the Starlink cable. That's what I use for internet access right here. Man, it's windy. I want to show you guys. Come, let me show you. Give me. Okay, you can stay. Let me show you upstairs. Where do I put it? The Starlink, guys. Man, it's windy for real, guys. I just want to show you guys, because you're gonna need this if you want to move here in Haiti and you need data. This is the Starlink that I'm using for data, because what I'm doing required a lot of data. So that's the neighborhood that I'm living in. Actually, it's a really safe place and a really green area, as you all can see. So this is my car parked right there. So we don't even close the gate, guys. As I said, it's really safe right here. So if you wanna move back in Haiti, you're gonna need this anyway, guys, because internet access right here sometimes it's really dumb right here, guys. So that is a mango tree we have in the yard, and this is a sour orange. If you wanna move in here in Haiti, you're gonna need this, guys. Make sure you bring your data, because internet access here it's really dumb sometimes. Right, we're getting some rainwater right here. As y'all see, it's a really green area, so really fresh air right here. That's our orange, and we have the sweet one right there. We have coffee plantation right here. Man, a lot of flower coming. Let's go to the kitchen. So we're gonna do some cleaning, making some coffee and more. Let's go, guys. Alright, guys, let's get in the kitchen. Man, sure. Y'all know it's raining outside. Right now we're going to prepare some coffee. So here's the coffee powder we have. So this, man, that's the one that we made while we were in Chantal. So that's the coffee powder we made, and this is what I'm gonna use today. So let's go, guys. We put some water in the pot and then light up the fire. So we need some hot water for the coffee, guys. With some hot water before you add the coffee on it. Okay, what I normally do is that I always put some salt on the coffee water. You know, it's Gonna be breakfast. So not much, just allow some salt. Okay. All right, so okay. Oh, God. All right, so right now, guys, I'm going to add the coffee powder. Okay. I need the spoon. Take it. You come and see, guys. Come. Okay, what I do is just get the coffee powder. You'll see it, guys. This is the coffee powder I made. Come and see. Zoom in it. Yeah, this is it. Dark. Okay, it's really strong. I'm not putting too much. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do, just put it like this. Okay, guys. Okay. Alright, peeps, so the coffee is ready. I really like coffee, guys. I ain't gonna lie, man. Not much sugar. Not gonna add too much sugar on it. That's okay. Just mix it. Man, this is our coffee. That's our own. That's Lens coffee, guys. I don't need too much sugar on it. We made these. Come on. It's really strong, guys. Delicious. Still winning, guys. Cats and dogs. You'll see. Huh? We even lost a banana tree, guys. Man, look. Guys. The wind is strong, man. Alright, guys. So guys, by the time Duff is cooking in the kitchen, so I'm here outside doing the dishes, guys. Yeah. No. Still winning, but I have to do it, you know. We're gonna be cooking. We have to do this part too. Alright, peeps. We're done with the dishes, so now let's go and feed the chicken. Okay, you know it's raining, so we got water flowing everywhere. There was some I don't see right here. We got them eating right now, guys. Alright, so right now we're done feeding the chicken. So as I said, we unfortunately have some of them died. Look, guys, those are newborn. See, you got 1, 2, 3. So all those are newborn, but are still alive. Let me show you some more. We got around 7 died. That's so bad. We got that 4, 5, and 6. No. Yeah, no born. No pas mourir. Kodel. No, ça va mourir chez vous. Oh, ça oh damn. That's another one, guys. That's 7. I don't know if there's something I can do for them. Man, about 7 no baby born chicken dying. That's so they were born just yesterday, unfortunately. Then we got them feeding right now. This one is full already. So that's it. When you live in the countryside, you have everything on your yard, guys. That's the vibe. So right there, it's a plantain, bananas, and more. That's a leaf right here, a legume leaf right here. Let's go, guys. So we have Duff in the kitchen, cooking, preparing some real food right here, guys. We got some sauce, some fish, and right here, let me show you guys what we have here. Alright, I got some extra fish right here, guys. I'm gonna fry this. Let me show you what we have, guys. Oh, baby, fed look. Yeah, back one back. Let's it mono. Non, le pas chaud. It look up to be. Alright, guys, we have some rice, some white rice right here. Look, that look delicious. Y'all see it, guys. And we're gonna have it with some sauce, some fish right here. We're cutting the onion, just put on the sauce, then it's ready. Adding the onion, and then the sauce is ready, guys. Smells really good. All right. Real food. Sauce is ready. Turn off. All right, this is the rice. Let's get the food or not. We're having some white rice with some sauce. Ah bon? Faut me gratter? Moi j'ai bon. Alright, guys, let's have the food. We got the rice right here. Let me. Alright. Put some sauce on the top. No, 1 pound sauce. Ça bon déjà. Ça bon. We have some fried fish. That's a king dish. Woo! That's the sauce. So because of the wind, we didn't have time to make bean sauce, guys. So just do it like this. But the plan was making some rice, bean sauce, and sauce and some fish, guys. So let me enjoy the food, guys. Alright, guys, so food is ready. The rain stopped, so we can enjoy. So right now we can enjoy the nature. We can have the vibe here. So I like the weather right now. Let me get the food, guys. Actually, I don't like rice with sauce like this. When I cook something, I cook very slowly for me. I cook something. After the food, alright, guys. So we got this. Well, it tastes good. I like it more when we have bean sauce too. But it's okay. You know, it's because of the weather. It's been raining since last night, guys. Since yesterday, though. So let me enjoy the food, guys, and I'll see you after. Wow. No, wait. Let me taste the fish. Nice and nice and clean. It's really delicious, guys. So guys, let me enjoy the food and then I'll see you after. What? I'm done with the food. So right now I'm having the best time of my life. Sorry, here in the wind. I believe I can fly. 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 I believe I can touch the sky. If I can live, yes I can do it. If I can believe it, there's nothing to it. I believe I can fly.
Fly no.
I believe I can fly. Woo. I believe I can touch the sky. Woo. So the water is really refreshing, guys. It's really cold, refreshing at the same time. Alright, so I have the best time of my life, man. Showering in the wind was amazing, guys. I even fly.
Ba montre tu yo là.
I even fly. Woo. I believe that I could fly, but today, thanks so much. So I believe that I could fly, but today I did fly. Woo. Yeah, so guys, I really hope you all enjoy the video till the end, like till right here, man, at the very end. So let me know what you all want next. So I wanted to give you a full day, like 24 hours, non-stop of my life. Unfortunately, the couldn't go with it, guys, honestly, because normally after doing my morning routine, and then I did some videos, cooking some food, like cleaning everything. I usually go out. So I had to take you outside with me too. And especially today is weekend, so I had to go party, like not party, but at least go to a bar, something with that. Just enjoy a little bit, you know. Weekend, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I'll give you like almost 20 minutes of my life Like it's a 12 hours, like cut 20 minutes about guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. And then see y'all in the very next episode, guys. I hope you subscribe if you haven't done it yet. If that's your first time on the channel, make sure that you subscribe, guys. And share the videos. So that's why we'll do back right here, man. A lot of good content in Haiti. Hope you're enjoying. See you guys in the very next episode. Subscribe. Subscribe!